Hey, what's up? This is Khalid here for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome to another very exciting tutorial: how to create unique materials for Element 3D in After Effects. First, create a new composition and set to HD. From here and right here, final, set 5 seconds, click OK. So now right click, create a new solid right here, Element 3D, enter and go to Effects, go to Video Copilot and select Element 3D, and next after applying Element 3D, go to Scene Setup, and next create a new plan here, and then next select scale up the size. So go to presets. In normal, you have physical materials here. So if you need advanced professional unique materials, you must install these materials for your Element 3D. So you can find these materials from my Patreon account. Don't forget, go to my Patreon account and go to shop. Click here, and next you can find Element 3D complete course. You can find Element 3D plugin with 7 primary bundle pack. So the most important in this video, you must find this 4K materials for Element 3D plugin. You can download it and it's very easy to install, and there you can find the materials pack here. So and now I need to apply one of these materials here. So let's test. There's a lot of different advanced materials like this. Okay, and now I need to create a sphere. So go to a sphere model, and there you can change the resolution of the sphere, and next select and move it up here. Okay guys, so change a little bit, move the plan down here. Select again. Here's select sphere, move it up. It's okay. And now select the sphere model, apply one of these materials. You can see. Let's go to another folder. There you can see a lot of different materials. Go to next folder. Here you can see a lot of different materials. So you can control the materials. Select the material and go to here. You can control it. Take a look. Make brighter and brighter from here, and there you can control the refraction. And don't forget, select the plan, right click, go to reflect mode, flat mirror. You can turn on the flat mirror. You can apply another different materials from here. Select the sphere and move up. Select the plan and move up. Here's okay guys, and now create another sphere here and move right there, move up and zoom in, move a little bit up. Here you can see, change the size, select the scale down the size, select the move and move it down right there. Sit here. Let's apply a different material on this sphere. Here you can see the difference. Let's check. How about this one? Not bad. Let's create another sphere and move right there and move up, change the quality, and select this one, change the quality, and select move up and set here. Let's apply another different material for this one. Here you can see, let's apply on this one. And how about this one for the floor? I need to move here and I need to change the scale and I need to move up.
Okay.
And create another one more sphere here. Set right there and move up. Change the size of a sphere and move it down and change the quality. Let's see, apply this golden one, apply this one. Let's apply another different material for this one and zoom in. Let's apply another dark material for the floor. Go to another folder, apply. Not bad. Okay guys, and now you can click apply. So let me choose one of the best material for the spheres to look realistic. Click OK. So before OK, control the light, cinematic, and go to environment. Click here and next go to backlight and go to backlight 4K or 2K. So guys, you can download the backlights from my Patreon account and now select one of the different backlights to see cinematic and select the plan and go to scale up the size and go to materials and click here. Take a look, here is 4:4. I need to set 10. I need to set for normal map 10. Click OK and click OK. So right click here to create a camera. Wait a little bit. Yeah, right click, create a camera and set the camera 24 millimeters. Click OK and move the camera down here and control the camera from here. So set. Go to element 3D and next go to render setting and go to ambient occlusion, turn on to see the shadow and control the shadow and go to, so first let me save my project. Yeah, save my project and go to lighting. Let's find, there is the lighting and control the lighting to dramatic to see the lighting, cinematic. Let's see another, stylize, control the lighting in underwater. So if you need to control manually, control the lighting like manually, control lighting like this and control lighting like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to apply and use professional advanced unique materials for your element 3D models. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.